Hey there, gorgeous, and a very happy Drugstore December to you. It is such a joy to see you, and a very happy Friday to you as well. I hope that you've had a great week. This video is completely like, I didn't even know what I was filming today. I have my whole schedule written out for December right now. What? You go with Daddy? I'll be in there in a minute. Ace is still homesick today. Anyway, like I was saying, I believe what I was saying. I don't remember what I was saying, but I'm going to start from the train of thought that I think I was saying. I had no video idea planned. I had my whole schedule written out for December. That's what I was saying. And this was the only day I did not have an idea for. So I'm just going to wing it and use makeup that I have not used in a while. And some of these that I'm going to be showing you are products that I bought and I never used. So I actually found them today as I was looking for makeup for this video. So this should be fun. Bit of wisdom there for those who are YouTube creators also. If you can write out your schedule of videos in advance, it does help you to know what to film. You can film several videos in one day. It just helps. And so I find that especially with December, as many videos as I do, it's great to have them all written out and have all your ideas on paper so that you know what you're doing. All right, for the eyeshadow palettes, I should say. I wanted to do a rosy, not rosy, kind of like a pinky brown kind of look today. So I found this palette from Flower. Do you remember this one? Petal Play. This is one of their quads. I love their quads. I haven't used it in so long. And then I'm going to pair it up today with another one that I've not used in a while. This is the e.l.f. Chipotle collaboration palette. This one came and went, and I only used it a few times. I'm going to focus more so on the browns in this palette than anything else. So I want to start building up the crease with this deep dark eyeshadow from the e.l.f. palette, and any dark brown will work here. In the event that you want to recreate the look that I'm showing you here, you do not need to have these palettes. Just look for similar colors. And I'm going to first start applying that into the outer V and working it up into the outer crease. That was my biggest mistake when I first got into makeup and I discovered YouTube, like back in, I don't know, 2011, I want to say. I found a makeup tutorial and I cannot remember who it was. I can remember her face, but I can't remember her name off the top of my head. But she had used so many MAC products, and I think that's what got me into MAC initially when I first started. For those who don't know, I used to do exclusive like MAC eyeshadows. That was like my thing. And it was from that video because she had used a lot of MAC eyeshadows, because MAC was really big back then, to create this look. And she was using these limited edition shades that you couldn't find anymore. And so I went out of my way to purposely track them down because I had to create the look that she was using or doing. And oh my gosh, I just wasted so much money. I look back sometimes and I'm like, why did I do that? Just trying to create her look. If somebody would have just said to me, just find similar colors. Here's what the color looks like up close. So you can see what it looks like. Find something like it and create the look. And so that's what I try to always tell anyone who's watching my tutorials. Don't go out and feel like you need to get this palette or this eyeshadow or this product. Save money. See what you have in your collection. You more than likely already have eyeshadows that are these colors. I'm liking it, I'm liking it. Okay, now I am taking this shade from the Flower palette. You like my nails? Aren't they cute? I love them. I'll try to have them linked for you below if you're interested in them. And I'm going to use that in the crease to blend this towards the brow a little bit more. Soften the edges of that dark brown. And then blend out with a blank brush to get rid of the harsh lines. Next, I'm taking this shade from the Flower palette, and I'm going to use that on the inner corner, inner half of the lid. Now, I had not planned on the contrast happening between the inner color there and the outer color, because you can see like this shade is very warm, this shade is very cool, which to me is a little too clashing. So what I'm going to do is go back with this warmer brown, that one right there, and I'm going to go over that shade. And I'm also going to take more of that shade that I used in the crease, and I'm going to actually go over that dark brown to help to lighten it up a little bit. Still wanting a little more brightness, so I'm going in with this light white shimmery shade from the e.l.f. palette. Sometimes I like to just challenge myself and take two palettes and see what I can create. And I think I want to apply this to the inner corner. Just see what it does. I'm going to add in a separate palette here. I'm taking the e.l.f. Cream and Sugar palette, and I'm using this specifically for this deep brown. Wetting my brush, and I'm going to use that as eyeliner. I applied some lashes. These are the kitten style from my lash line. They're back in stock. I'm so excited to let you know they are back. It's one of my most popular styles from my lash line that just gets sold out all the time. But yes, I finally got them back in stock. So they will be linked for you below if you're interested in them. For the brows, I am using a really old favorite. This is the Flower Fiber Fix Brow Gel. This is a brow gel that has little bitty fibers in the formula, and the shade that I'm using is light brown. Great stuff. Yeah, another one that just got pushed to the back of my drawer, and when I was looking for makeup for this video today, I was like, oh, I remember this stuff. I love this stuff. Another rediscovery is the Undone Beauty Conceal to Reveal Concealer palette. This is in the shade Porcelain Light. This is basically just a cream concealer, and it does a great job of canceling everything that you don't want seen. And then I also stumbled across this one that I don't think I had ever used. I don't know. We're gonna use it now. This is from L'Oreal. It's the Age Perfect Powder Foundation. It says cream powder. Why are you not focusing? Stop looking at me. Okay, there we go. The shade that I'm using is 300 Ivory. Now we'll see how this applies. I'm just doing a light layer on my skin. I can already tell you that what I like about it is that it's not fully mattifying my skin. It's leaving a little bit of radiance. You can still see some dewiness. Well, it's actually quite lovely on this skin. I'm liking it. For the rest of my face here, I am taking the Maybelline City Bronzer. How long has it been since I've used this one? This is in the shade 100. I used this one a lot when I first discovered it. I thought it was like the best thing since sliced bread, but you know, you go on to other products, but I mean, it is still like, this is amazing. I love this stuff. Yes, why did I ever put it down? And then for my blush and highlight today, I'm picking up another old favorite. This is from Physicians Formula. This is the Rosy All Day. Do you remember this stuff? I love it, love it. This is their Set and Glow Brightening Rose Powder. I love the scent. I do. I know I don't like scent in makeup usually, but I just love the scent of this one. It's, I don't even know how to describe it. It smells like home to me. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it, love it. Also going to add a mascara to my lower lashes. I'm using the Flower Lash Warrior mascara. I used it on my lashes before I applied the lashes today. It is great for lengthening. It does not hold a curl because it's not waterproof, but it does do a beautiful job of giving definition. Lips. Two old favorites for you that I haven't picked up in so long. And if you've been around for a while, then you remember these. The first one is the Joah lipstick in the shade YAAS. And I like it because it's like my lip color, but better. Isn't that pretty? Nothing to it. I don't even know if you can get this anymore, but I still love it. And then I'm going to highlight the center of the lip with Maybelline's Blushing Beige. Aha! Old favorite, but I still love this one too. So what I like to do with this one is add a highlight to the center of the lips. It makes your lips look a little bigger. It's really amazing when you pair it up with a darker lipstick. So what I traditionally will do is take something like this Ulta Beauty lip crayon. This is in the shade Rose Quartz, I believe. Yes. And if you put this all over the lips first and then you apply a really light shade like this right into the center of the lips, ooh, girl, hello, it's like juicy. Come kiss me lips, you know? Mwah. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you are interested in any of these products, I will try to have them listed and linked for you below in the description box. Don't know if they're still available, but we'll find out. But yeah, anyway, have a beautiful weekend ahead. It has been such a joy seeing you more this week, and I really hope that you enjoyed these videos, and looking forward to more in Drugstore December. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you'll always be notified of new content, especially this month where we're focusing specifically on drugstore makeup. I speak love, peace, and joy into you and into your home, wishing you a beautifully blessed weekend ahead, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. What are you doing? Are you back?
I can find it.
You what?
I can find it.
You can't find it?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
You have the glitter?
What, honey?
You have the glitter?
Do you want the glitter? Of course you do. You take after your mother. Say hi, Tilly. Tilly, 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 Tilly. I know everybody likes to see Tilly. So there you go. Isn't she gorgeous? I love her.